Hello everyone, in this simple video I am going to show you how you can rotate a clip and how you can change the aspect ratio in Capcut mobile. So I'm going to open the Capcut apps and I'm going to open my project here, and if you have a reverse clips like this, you can rotate it. How to? Just click on the clip and you can select the edit button, just click on it and select rotate. So you can rotate until like so, and for another clip rotate. Okay, so you can use your both fingers to merge the clip, sorry, like this. Alright, so how you can change the aspect ratio? Just click ratio and then you can change for aspect ratio, available here for TikTok content, for Instagram feed, YouTube, and anything. So, for example, I'm going to change the aspect ratio for TikTok content. Just use both fingers to merge the clip, like so. Yes, so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.